this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Taurus. And Venus and Taurus people really like pleasure. They like to seek pleasure through their assets and the things that they have. They really like to have the best in life. They want the finest food, the finest clothes, the best accessories, the most attractive partner. They're very driven to achieve their financial goals. They're also very great at artistic businesses and financial businesses. And their main goal is to have financial security. They like partners that are also financially stable. They have a demand for material success, and sometimes it's a bit unrealistic. They can be very artistic and sensual, and they really just want security. And they tend to be very much about family, and they want the best for their family, and they're willing to work for it. And they want the best in life. And that's my take on Venus in Taurus.